Best entry in the 9-year-old category, Jordan Street.
In the 10-year-old category, for best entry, we have Aliana Freeman.
And Gianni Willie is the best entry in the 11-year-old category.
And our final best entry categories for the 12-year-old, Tiana Spence.
Best researched entry goes to Kayla Hewan.
The certificate for best use of language, Gianni Willie.
Most creative entry goes to Kivane Wilson.
The first judge's special award goes to Kivane Wilson.
Janique Stoddart.
And with the third judge's special award and final award in this category, Omar Gordon.
Best entry in the grade 7 to 9 graphics category, Michaela Jones.
With the best entry in grades 10 to 13, the illustrated category, Curtis Clennon.
Best entry, grades 10 to 13 graphics category, Michaela Hewlett.
Judge's special award in this category goes to Robert Time.
And finally on our list of certificate awardees for poster is Michaela Baker. The winners of our JIS Heritage Essay Competition.
And in third place we have Kayla Hewan. Through music, our culture is promoted overseas. It helps in nation building and is used for entertainment and relaxation. The infusion of music in our country is effective in most industries as it creates wealth and helps in our country's development and growth.
Out of St. Hugh's Preparatory School in Kingston, Aliana Freeman. Jamaican music is an integral part of our culture, from the chants of the slavery days to the songs of battle leading to our emancipation. Jamaica's music is distinct. Essentially, Jamaica is known primarily for reggae music, and more recently, it's dancehall music. The music has contributed positively to our growth and development over the years by creating global awareness, boosting the gross domestic product, and emerging as the top Caribbean destination for visitors.
Ladies and gentlemen, please help us in just a small way to congratulate this year's winner, 3-time entrant, Gianni Willie
from George Headley Primary School.
The popular song by Chronix, Smile For Me Jamaica, says it best. Chronix, a recent ambassador of our music, compliments the master Bob Marley, who declared internationally that when music hits you, that's right.
Third place contestant in the photo category, in the poster category, Michaela Jones.
There you go, there you go. This poster shows different musical instruments that are widely used in Jamaica over the years. There's a picture of the lion above the instruments showing the Ethiopian colors, which are also seen as the Rastafarian colors. Infused in this are photographs of Bob Marley and Caenwood Marley.
In second place,
Curtis Clennon. This poster depicts 4 ways in which Jamaica's music can be more fully exposed to growth and development. I believe if these 4 aspects could be more supervised, then our music would be more controlled, advertised, and beneficial to Jamaica's economy and allow for more true Jamaican artists to rise.
First place winner, the poster competition, Mahalia Hewlett from Arden Prep and Extension High School. Second place winner, Yon Gordon from Michael University College.
The potential possibilities of any child are the most intriguing and stimulating in all creation. Children are great imitators, so give them something great to imitate. Teach them the right attitude and skills. Evolution of our island music through a new generation. Rise it for me as we welcome our winner, first place winner, DeAndre Calvert. The photo embraces Jamaica's music from mento to ska and popularly reggae. Its rich vibrations and rhythms continue to influence various music imprinted through the legendary Bob Marley and Millie Small with every pulsing beat.
I don't think there are any words to describe. It has helped me to boost my confidence and also to write better in communication.
I don't know if you saw my reaction. Yeah, I feel really overwhelmed to know that I actually want something and that my teacher believed in me from the first get-go. Thank you, Mr. Waits. I feel really proud of myself. Yeah.
I feel ecstatic. It's truly a blessing to be a part of this competition, moreover to win.
I feel good about the win because last year I entered and I was the judge's choice. This year I entered and I'm second place. So that shows growth from every year. So next year when I'm back, I'll be first place.
When I saw the theme, Jamaica's music, the stage for growth and development, I was really happy for that theme. I thought this was something that we could explore as a team, meaning myself and the students, and come up with something very powerful, very impactful, something that is will touch the nation.
Thank you very much. This has been the JIS Heritage Competition Awards.